Hi everyone. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you how to make nails for second time. This is part 2. I already uploaded a video. If you don't have watched it, you can watch it. Link will be in the description. So for today's video, you will need a cardboard. If you don't have cardboard, then you can use brown paper. Brown paper is basically used for covering. You can find it in stationery shops. Now, you need to take out the layer which covers this cardboard. There's a paper which covers the cardboard, and if you don't have cardboard, you can also go for cardboard rolls, toilet rolls. To take this out from this, I'll tell it like this. Do it nicely that all of the paper is out. If you just snatch it, the paper will not come at all. It will be left like this, which you don't want. So I'm going to use the half part because a bit of part is left. So I'll tell you now what to do. You can use brown paper or toilet rolls. Take this type of thing out of from toilet rolls too. Now just cut it and take it into the shape of your nails. I'm cutting it also because it is a thin paper. This which I got completely out is a hard paper and thick paper. So take this out and just take the size of your nail and just press it like this. So it creates a shape and you can then cut it out easily, or you can also mark it with the pen or pencil like this. This is the marking which I have done. I'm going to cut it. Once you have cut it one piece, similarly cut 2 or 3 more pieces like I did, 2 pieces because it's hard. Then you will need a pencil or a pen to roll it. I'm using here a brush to do. Make sure the brush, whatever the pen or whatever you think use is completely round. It should not have any other markings. Hold it like this nicely. It should have like this shapes. Then you will need glue. Now you can take out the nail polish, or you can do it with nail polish also. Now you have to take some glue on the finger or whatever thing you are doing it. Nicely but not too much. For spreading it, you can use a brush. You can give it a shape before you stick it or after you stick it, as per your choice, but I preferred to give the shape before. I'm just keeping the shape it like this, so it's going to cut a bit, so I didn't give it before. Press it hard. Wait for some time, then once it's sticked nicely, you can go for the second coat. Apply some glue, spread it nicely, and put the second one. Press it hard so it also sticks nicely. I just gave it a nice shape. You can see it's not breaking up still. Now the next step is to put some glue on the inner side. I'm using white glue only over here. I'm using white glue. You can go for wire. You can go for clear glue also. Don't put white glue on this. It will make it nice, but inside you can use white glue and use clear nail paint over here. Or if you don't have clear nail paint, you can go for this liquid clear glue. Now I have applied the clear nail polish. And if you don't have clear nail polish and you are using the clear glue, apply 1 drop. That should be sufficient. Wait to let it dry. The nail polish we applied over here will make it feel clear and smooth, and which glue which we applied on the inside will make it more hard. Once they are dry, you can use your nail polish, and if you want to decorate, you can use some sprinkles or some glitters. Apply nail polish on the inside of the nail also. Let them dry. I'm also adding some sprinkles and glitters, whatever you want to add. You can apply this when the nail polish is wet, and they will be applied nicely. Also using some stars, and you can decorate your way. And yeah, it's done. I'm pressing it. It's hard. You can see. Give this video a big thumbs up. Do try this thing, and let me in the comments if you want part 3 with different things or more easier things. Do subscribe my channel. I'll meet you in my next video. Bye bye.